Welcome to the Compile Group. We are going to tell about the logical function, how it affect our learning in the Excels. So what is actually a logical function is that allow us to introduce decision making when executing our formula and functions, and that is used to if a check a condition is true or false, or compile or combine multiple condition together. So what is condition? Why does it matter? Condition simply an expression that either evaluate to use it is true or false, or the expression can be function that determine that correct variable cell is numeric or text data file. So let us know what the different type of logical function in the Excel. So these are the logical function: and, false, if error, if, and a, not, and or. Just use these logical function in order to formulate your equation. Here will example will tell you the use of if condition, which is the most widely used if condition. So I already created one simply template for that. In the previous tutorial we use the same example. Now in this we add one condition: is affordable. If the total price is less than 1000 rupees, then only will previous put as affordable, otherwise will not going to buy. So we what we'll do here, just provide an if condition. If condition simply if e2, if the total price is less than 1000, then yes, otherwise no. You can change this to uh, 1500, whatever you want. So just do that, and what it's coming that yes, yes, and just drag it to apply for all the. So according to this condition I can only buy these two products. If I apply 1500, sorry, you need to apply first on first cell, then you need to drag it. If I apply 1500, then only these two products cannot buy, otherwise I can buy all the products. So this simply evaluate your decision making on the basis of what criteria you are giving. So by this you can use your logical function. Even you can use nested logical function. If condition, in the if condition you can give one more if condition, just like a nested function. So what is nested condition? Within the condition you are providing other condition, that is called nested function. So here it is, condition is today is Sunday. If yes, then time to rest. Agar no, then if it's Saturday, yes, and party wear do this, and this will continue. This is called what the nested function. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our video.